Hello, the truth about raising broilers to market weight in just 5 weeks. If you have done that before, please let me know on the comment section. If you have raised broilers in 5 weeks, let me know on the comment section. Please send message on the comment section. Let me know what weight did you achieve in 5 weeks. Did you really enjoy it? How tasteful was your broiler meat at 5 weeks? Do you have market for 5 weeks broilers? Which breed did you use for that 5 weeks? Now, let's go into the action. Raising broilers to market weight within 5 weeks is the dream of many poultry farmers. In fact, some farmers are even looking for a way to raise their broiler in 4 weeks. Fast growing broilers means quicker profit, lower production cost, and more production cycles yearly. If you are raising your broilers in 5 weeks, it means you are short of up to 8 to 9 cycles in a year. However, many farmers fail because they overlook critical management practices that directly affect growth performance. The truth is that reaching market weight in just 5 weeks is possible, but only with proper feeding, brooding, water management, genetics, ventilation, and disease control. Success depends on consistency and attention to detail from day one. If you mix any of this track, you are falling, you can't meet up. In this video, I'm going to give you the real truth every poultry farmer must understand about raising broilers to market weight successfully in just 5 weeks. Number one point you need to know is the genetics of that broiler determines growth potential. Not all broilers grow equal fast. They are not equally in fast growth. They are all white in color, but some are faster in growth than others. Good breeds like Rose 308, Cup 500, Abo Akas. These breeds have better feed conversion and rapid growth ability. So if you are booking for your broiler day-old chicks, go for any of these 3 breeds. They can give you that result. Most especially Rose 308. And that point here is brooding management is everything. If you can brood well, if you have a very good brooder, many poultry farmers, not even some, doesn't have brooding room. Some use their rearing pen, cover some areas and brood their chicken there. It will cost you most. It will cost you much, because if you brood in a brooder, the temperature in the brooder most of the times after 1 week is good enough to take care of your broilers till 4th week. Poor brooding destroys growth early. Incorrect temperature causes stress, slow feeding, and weak immunity. Poor weight gain. The first 7 days determines future performance of your broilers. Number 3 point. Feed quality controls growth speed. Even if the breed is good, with poor quality of feed, you're not going to achieve it. Cheap and poor quality feed delays market weight of your poultry and livestock animals. Broilers need high protein starter feed. Even 24% crude protein is good for initial stage, the first 7 days of their life. Balanced amino acids, good for them. Enough energy, Good. Feed quality directly affects body weight. Point number 4. Clean water is as important as food. Very important, just like food also. In fact, it's better they drink water than eating food without water. Broilers drink large amount of water daily. Dirty water causes disease outbreak, poor digestion, reduced feed intake. Healthy water improves feed utilization. Point number 5. Fast growth requires excellent ventilation. Many farmers neglect ventilation in their planning because poor airflow reduces oxygen supply, and this causes heat stress, slow growth, and respiratory problems. Most of the CROD you find in your broilers is as a result of poor ventilation. Fresh air supports rapid metabolism. Point number 6. Overcrowding slows growth and at the same time gives you ununiform growth also. Too many birds in small space creates stress. It also creates high competition. Competition for food, competition for ventilation, competition for space. Heat build up, uneven growth. Some will grow bigger, some will grow smaller. The bigger ones will push in the smaller ones, and the smaller ones will not be growing again. Point number 7. Lighting affects feeding activities. Broilers eat more with proper lighting programs. Good lighting encourages feed intake, improves activities, and supports faster growth. Dark pen reduces feeding frequency. Broilers cannot sleep. If they want to sleep, they will put their mouth on the feeder so that anytime they wake up, they will start eating. Point number 8. Disease prevention is better than treatment. Sick broilers never reach target weight quickly at all. Once they are sick, they will not grow, and that the time of the sickness will affect their growth conspicuously. Strong biosecurity reduces mortality, medication costs, and growth setbacks. Healthy birds grows faster. Point number 9. Feed conversion ratio matters more than feed quantity. Some birds eat more but gain less weight. Efficient broiler convert feed into meat faster. Good management improves feed conversion ratio significantly. Point number 10. Temperature stress reduces weight gain. Excellent heat lowers appetite. When the heat is too much in your pen, the broilers eat less because they will be battling for their life. So cold stress wastes feed energy. Maintain proper environmental temperature. This will help your broilers to grow efficiently and evenly. Point number 11. Consistency in management produces uniform birds. Broilers perform best with stable routines. Consistency in feeding, watering, temperature, vaccination creates uniform market size of your birds. Fast growth does not mean neglecting birds' health. Yes, some farmers focus on the weight gain and they neglect the health of their birds. But strong, healthy broilers survive better, perform better, produce better meat quality and weight. Healthy growth is profitable growth. Are you a poultry farmer? How do you see this video? Have you learned something from this video? Give it a thumb up right away. This topic interests you, give it a thumb up. And if you have any question regarding this topic, please do well to drop it on the comment section. Please, I will gladly follow you up and answer your questions, and same time give you more guide on how to grow your broilers optimally in just short period of time. Because raising broilers to market weight in just 5 weeks is achievable, but it requires serious management discipline. Fast growth depends on good genetics, quality feed, proper brooding, clean water, ventilation, disease prevention, and daily monitoring. There are no shortcuts in successful broiler farming. Farmers who consistently apply proper management practices achieve better results, better feed conversion, lower mortality, and healthier birds, and faster profit also. The real secret is not luck, it is excellent poultry management every single day required. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video loading very soon. Stay tuned.